Good morning, children. Today, in this third part of the video on chapter A Treat for Mosquitoes, I'll be discussing about baby mosquitoes, that is, larvae. For that, we must know the life cycle of a mosquito. Out of all the four stages in life cycle of a mosquito, only the adult mosquito lives outside water. These four stages of life cycle of a mosquito are egg, larva, pupa and adult mosquito. One of the most favorite site for breeding of mosquitoes are when water gets collected in a place for a long time, especially during rainy season, and in stagnant water. The life cycle of mosquito starts with laying eggs. It lays eggs in stagnant water at the container that can hold water, such as discarded tires, cans, tanks, pits, etc. The female mosquito lays small cigar-shaped eggs which are soft and white. Most of these species lays eggs that are stuck together while floating of 100 or more eggs. Normally, the eggs are white when first deposited, then darken to near black within a day. The eggs will hatch in 1 to 3 days depending on the temperature. Larvae move through wriggling movement in the water, or also called as jerking movement of the entire body, hence named as wrigglers. Most species of mosquito larvae spend most of the time hanging upside down on the surface of water, sucking in oxygen through a siphon tube used for breathing. The larvae lives in water from 7 to 14 days depending on water temperature. Larvae shed their skin 4 times, after which they become pupae. Mosquito pupae are commonly called tumblers, which is resting, non-feeding stage. An adult mosquito emerges out of the pupae after a few days, slowly and carefully. The newly emerged adult mosquito rests on the surface of water for a short time to allow itself to dry and all its parts to harden. The wings also need to spread out to dry properly before the adult mosquito can fly. The adult female mosquito will lay eggs to repeat the cycle of mosquito from egg to larvae, from larvae to pupa, and from pupae to an adult mosquito. In a glass collected sample of drain water shows larvae wriggling in it. Other than mosquitoes, there are some flies which are responsible for spreading diseases like typhoid, diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, etc. But flies don't bite. Then how do they spread diseases? Houseflies transport from microorganisms the feet and hairy body. So, some of the preventive measures. Keep your homes clean. Remove trash regularly and seal your garbage cans. Clean up pet wastes immediately. Use fine mesh screens on doors and windows to prevent flies from getting into your home. Don't eat uncovered food. Thank you.